Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get curls without using absolutely zero heat on your hair. Before we continue, don't forget to hit a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be very grateful. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far, who has viewed my videos and left comments. Let's get on with the video. So yeah guys, at the moment my hair is very greasy. It is due a wash, but I really wanted to do this video and show you. Let me tell you what you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need a brush to brush out your hair. Make sure there's absolutely no knots in your hair. Second of all, you're going to need a packet of bobby pins. You're going to need quite a lot, so make sure there's quite a lot in this packet, so make sure you've got a lot to cover your whole hair. And thirdly, you're going to need like some sort of curling cream or some oil or something like that, just to tame the frizz. So when you first wash your hair, don't straighten it, anything like that. Just leave it natural and just put in something like Cantu curl cream or any sort of essential oils, or just something for your hair just to take out the frizz initially, but do not use any sort of heat. So once your hair is fully once your hair is fully brushed through, which my hair is, because I did brush it before I started the vid. Okay, yeah, you can like kind of see the breakage on the ends of my hair. Yeah, anyway, so now what you're going to do is obviously run the product through your hair. I've already got product in my hair. My hair is also greasy, so I'm not going to put any extra product. Take your first bobby pin, and I'm just going to show you with the first section. So I'm going to grab, it depends how big you want the curls to be. I'm going to kind of do it like this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my fingers and I'm going to wrap my hair. No, I can't do it. I'm going to wrap my hair around my fingers like that, so it goes like that. So way until you kind of get to the top. Then once you have it at the top like that, you want to get your bobby pin and slide the bobby pin into the curl and into your hair so it holds in. Okay, that didn't hold very well, so let me do that again. Until make sure it holds in like that. So that's your first one done. I'm not gonna lie, it does take, well, it doesn't take ages, but it takes a bit of time, so you have to be a little bit patient. And we're gonna get these front pieces a bit shorter, so it's a bit harder. We're gonna get it and we're just gonna roll it all the way up like that until you've got it like that, and then we're going to pin it like the other one into the hair like so. And now I'm going to speed this up, do my whole head, and then I'll get back to you once I've got all the bobby pins in. Guys, I'm about, well, not really halfway done, but I've just got all the underneath pieces to go now.
Hours later.
So guys, this is it after I've taken the pins out. Now, like these ones, now look how curly they are. So ignore these underneath bits that are still straight because I didn't do them. So what I suggest is, because obviously the curls are extremely loose I would suggest to keep, because I only kept these in for 20 minutes, so I would suggest to actually keep these in overnight if you can, or at least for like a few hours. I think that's why it hasn't turned out as curly as I wanted it to. However, it looks really pretty. Like I said, my hair is very greasy, so it's not like the best it could look right now. But even if you're looking to do kind of more like a blowout wispy kind of style, more like how this has come out, this technique is really, really good. Yeah, I think the curls have come out extremely loose just because the fact that my hair was probably, it needed to be washed before I did this. Not only that, I just don't think I left the bobby pins in long enough. I only left them in for 20 minutes or half an hour. It's not really enough. I would say if you're going to do this, definitely keep the bobby pins in overnight. But yeah guys, definitely try it out and see how it turns out. Like I said, obviously I didn't do all the underneath, all of this bit's all gone like nice and kind of flicky. Like it still looks really pretty. It's just obviously not as curly because I didn't obviously keep the bobby pins in long enough. That is my fault. But yeah, so if you can keep them in overnight or at least for a few hours, that will be much better. Your curls will be much more defined. I did do this before and left the bobby pins in longer, and it went so curly. Oh my gosh, it's so curly and it looks so shiny. Look how shiny the curls are. Guys, you need to try this out. Oh my god, I love it. So maybe I'll do another video and actually leave it on overnight so you can actually see more of a, of a difference. Hi guys, so I've just finished editing the video that you've just watched now, and I just realised I didn't really do a proper outro to the video. So I just wanted to come on here and say outro the video. I know it was a little bit of a short, kind of messy video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm so sorry about the lighting changes as well in the video. I am still filming with an iPhone, so it's not necessarily the best quality and the best lighting all of the time, but it is what it is for now. I just wanted to come on here and just kind of clarify that a little bit with you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe on my channel and like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.